From automatic spice dispensers to smart sinks with LED waterfalls, these unexpected kitchen gadgets will change how you cook. But wait until you see the one that slices perfect crisscross patterns into hot dogs. Ever been halfway through a recipe and realized you've mixed up the cinnamon with cumin? Yeah, me too. The Kitchen Art Select a Spice Auto Measure Carousel is a lifesaver for anyone who's tired of spice chaos. It holds up to 12 spices, and with a quick twist, it dispenses exactly 1/4 teaspoon. No more guesswork, no more digging through random spice jars. Here's what makes it cool. It keeps your spices organized, fresh, and ready to go when you need them. And let's not forget, it looks sleek on your countertop, but it can feel a bit stiff at first, so give it a few spins to loosen it up. If you're like me and love making dinner without kitchen disasters, this gadget is a must-have. Check out the link in the description for more details. Do you know what's more boring than washing dishes? Your sink. But the black stainless steel Smart Waterfall Workstation Sink is here to change that. It's not just a sink. It's a workstation. It comes with a waterfall faucet that has an LED display to show the water temperature, no more accidentally burning your hands, and it includes accessories like a cutting board, drying rack, and colander that fit right over the sink. Imagine this, you're prepping dinner, rinsing veggies, and cutting them, all at the sink. It's a space saver and a time saver. It's perfect for small kitchens or anyone who wants a more organized cooking space. But because it's loaded with features, it does come with a higher price tag. Still, if you want to level up your kitchen game, this sink is worth it. You've been there. You cook a big meal and by the time everyone sits down the food is cold. So, what do? Microwave it. Again and again. The food warming mat with adjustable temperature control fixes that problem. It's a flat heating pad that keeps your food warm for hours without drying it out. Just place your plates, bowls, or trays on the mat, and it does the work for you. It's silicone coated, making it non-slip and heat resistant, so you don't have to worry about dishes sliding off, and it has adjustable temperature settings, which means you can customize the heat for different dishes. Here's a fun idea. Use it for holiday dinners when everything needs to stay warm, or even during family game nights when snacks tend to sit out for a while. But it works best with smaller dishes, so if you're feeding a crowd, you might need more than one mat. You know what's better than fries? Homemade fries. But cutting potatoes? No thanks. That's where the Sopito electric French fry cutter comes in. It's made with stainless steel blades that slice through potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more in seconds. And the best part? It's electric. You don't need to use any elbow grease. Picture this. You pop in a potato, press the button, and bam! You've got restaurant-quality fries in no time. It's easy to clean, durable, and perfect for fry lovers. You can even use it to prep veggies for salads or stir-fry dishes. But, keep in mind, you'll need to plug it in, so make sure you've got a good spot near an outlet. Trust me, once you have this, you'll never look at store-bought fries the same way again. Making pasta from scratch sounds like something you'd see on a cooking show, right? Well, with this gadget, you can do it at home without all the hassle. The Philips Compact Pasta and Noodle Maker is a fully automatic machine that mixes, kneads, and extrudes pasta in just a few minutes. You can make spaghetti, penne, fettuccine, and more. All you have to do is add your ingredients and let the machine do its thing. Want to impress your family with homemade pasta dishes? This gadget makes it super easy. It's compact enough to fit on most countertops, and it comes with different pasta shaping discs, so you can get creative with your recipes. But you'll need to be careful when cleaning it, as the dough can get stuck in some of the parts. A quick tip: clean it right after you use it to avoid any dried-on mess. Okay, let's settle this. Boiling eggs should be easy, right? Wrong. It's a delicate science, and we've all had egg fails. Too runny, too hard, or impossible to peel. The Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker takes all the guesswork out of it. You can cook up to 7 eggs at once, and it has settings for soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs. It also comes with a measuring cup to add the right amount of water depending on how you want your eggs cooked. And the best part? It automatically shuts off when the eggs are done, so you can set it and forget it. It's perfect for breakfast lovers or anyone who likes to meal prep. Imagine having perfectly cooked eggs every morning without any hassle. But it's only designed for eggs, so don't expect it to make anything else. How do you know if your grill is hot enough to sear a steak, or if your oven is actually at the temperature it claims to be? The Atexity infrared thermometer takes the guesswork out of it. This handy laser temperature gun gives instant surface readings with a range from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit. Just aim, click, and you've got an accurate reading without risking burns. It's perfect for checking griddles, stovetops, ovens, or even your fridge to make sure everything's running at the right temperature. And it comes with a backlit display, making it easy to read in any lighting condition. But remember, it only measures surface temperatures. If you're trying to figure out if your roast is cooked inside, you'll need a meat thermometer for that. Why throw food scraps in the trash when you could turn them into something useful? The iDo electric composter transforms kitchen waste into pre-compost in just hours. No more waiting weeks for traditional composting methods. This sleek countertop gadget grinds, dries, and reduces food scraps, creating nutrient-rich material for your plants. It's perfect for eco-conscious households or anyone who loves gardening. Plus, it's odorless and compact, so it won't stink up your kitchen. And with its auto-cleaning feature, maintenance is a breeze. But it's a bit pricey. Still, if you want to reduce waste and give your plants a boost, it's a smart investment. Just imagine your garden thriving on yesterday's leftovers. How many times have you overboiled water and ended up waiting forever for it to cool down? The Govee Smart Gooseneck Kettle fixes that with Wi-Fi connectivity and precise temperature control. You can control it from your phone or with Alexa, setting the temperature to the perfect level for coffee, tea, or even instant noodles. The gooseneck design ensures a controlled pour, making it ideal for pour-over coffee fans. And it heats water fast, saving you time in the morning. Plus, the keep warm function ensures your water stays hot for up to 2 hours. But it's smaller than traditional kettles, holding only 0.8 liters. If you're making tea for a crowd, you might need to refill it a few times. What's better than a backyard BBQ? A backyard BBQ with a grill that works like a pro. The Char-Broil 4-burner gas grill gives you the power to cook for a crowd. With stainless steel burners, porcelain-coated grates, and a large cooking area, it's built for everything from burgers to brisket. It heats evenly, so you won't have to deal with hot spots. And it even has a side burner for sauces or sides. The built-in temperature gauge helps you keep an eye on your cooking without lifting the lid. But, because it's loaded with features, assembly can take some time. Once it's set up though, you're ready to host the ultimate cookout. How often do you throw out leftovers that have gone bad? The Fresco Smart Vacuum Sealer helps keep your food fresher for longer. It's a fully automatic vacuum sealer that removes air and seals your bags with just one press. Great for meal prepping, sous vide cooking, or simply keeping snacks fresh. It even has auto dry and moist detection, ensuring the perfect seal every time. Plus, it comes with a built-in cutter, so you can customize the bag size. And the LED indicator lights let you know when the sealing process is complete. But it works best with specific vacuum seal bags. If you're using regular Ziploc bags, it won't be as effective. How many times have you tried flipping a pancake, only to have it land halfway on the counter? Yeah, we've all been there. The Green Life Breakfast Maker takes away the morning madness. This all-in-one non-stick griddle is perfect for making pancakes, eggs, bacon, and even French toast, all at the same time. The ceramic non-stick surface ensures you won't be scraping burnt food off, and it heats evenly for perfectly cooked breakfasts. But it's not just for breakfast. Use it to make quesadillas, grilled cheese sandwiches, or even mini pizzas. And the compact size makes it easy to store in small kitchens. So, if you want to make breakfast fast without the mess, this gadget is a must-have. Ever nicked your finger while slicing veggies and thought, well, that's dinner ruined? The Romua Finger Guard set is here to keep your fingers safe while you chop away. This set comes with adjustable stainless steel guards that fit over your fingers, protecting them from sharp knives. Perfect for beginners or anyone who's a bit clumsy in the kitchen. It's especially handy when slicing small foods like garlic or chilies where it's easy to slip up. But it might take a little getting used to. The guards feel a bit odd at first, but once you're comfortable you'll wonder how you ever cooked without them. We've all been there, fighting with a jar lid that just won't budge. You twist, you tap, you even bang it on the counter, and still, nothing. The Robo-Twist Deluxe Jar Opener solves that frustration. Just place it over the lid, press a button and watch as it automatically grips and twists the lid off with ease. No more asking for help or using questionable methods like banging the jar with a knife. It works on jars of all sizes, from small sauce jars to larger pickle jars. And it's compact enough to store in a drawer, but it's battery operated, so make sure you've got fresh batteries on hand. Trust me, you'll never dread opening a jar again. Ever feel like your hot dogs are missing something? Sure, they're tasty, but they could look a bit more exciting. The Slot Dog Hot Dog Cutter is a fun kitchen gadget that slices crisscross patterns into your hot dogs before grilling. The cuts help the hot dogs cook evenly and absorb more flavor from sauces and marinades, plus they look amazing with that grilled pattern. It's a hit at BBQs, especially if you want to impress guests with restaurant-style presentation. But it's best used on larger hot dogs. Thin or smaller ones may not hold the pattern as well.